Alright people, I just got this today. It is 14 watt USB foldable solar power charger. So, take a look. Okay. This is what the cover looks like. Now I'm gonna open this. The strap. Guess you open it up like that. And you unfold this. Voila. So there's 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that's total 4 total. Okay. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna charge and see if it works. Obviously there's no sunlight, but I just want to see if this still works or not. By the way, I mean, the reason I got this is because the cover, gives you the leather feeling, and I think it's really well built. And this is waterproof. Obviously, that's not going to be waterproof, but these are okay to put water on. Just take a look. I just want to point out this is 5V 2.4 ampere. So now I'm going to connect to my phone and see if it works. Okay, it's connected, but obviously it's not charging. So I might have to wait until the sunlight comes. Alright? And thanks for watching.